We always thought alien life would come from the stars. But it came from deep beneath the Pacific Ocean. The first kaiju made land in San Francisco. The second attack hit Manila. Then the third one hit Cabo. Then we learned this was not gonna stop.
Things have changed. We're not an army anymore. We're the resistance.
We needed a new weapon. To fight monsters, we created monsters of our own. The Jaeger program was born. 2 pilots, our minds, our memories, connecting.
2 pilots engaged in neural bridge.
The deeper the bond, the better you fight. You know what I'm thinking.
I'm in your brain.
In all of my years fighting, I've never seen anything like that. Today, at the edge of our hope, at the end of our time, we have chosen not only to believe in ourselves, but in each other.
Come on, Gypsy!
Today we face the monsters that are at our door. Today we are canceling the apocalypse!
It is pretty cool. Come on! Let's do this! Together!
Pacific Rim, only in cinemas.